Greetings everyone. My name is Ayan Chakraborty.
My name is Ajay Mohanakrishnan.
And I'm Vihan Gupta. Today we would like to present to you our project on air quality.
Air quality across the world. This picture here shows the air quality index across the world based on WHO's air quality guideline score. As you can see in this picture, India is among the countries that shaded in a darker color, which means that its AQI score is much worse than WHO's recommended score of 5.
Air quality in India. According to this report, we can see that the northern parts of India have much worse air quality compared to the south. This may be because the northern part is way more populous compared to the southern part, meaning that more needs had to be catered to, meaning more industries need to be created, decreasing air quality.
The egregious effects of air quality. Air quality, being substandard in most regions, obviously has its own share of effects. Harmful gases like carbon monoxide, ground-level ozone, and photochemical smog contribute to multiple problems people face due to worse AQI. These problems include the problems that fine particles can cause, such as shortness of breath, wheezing, coughing, chest pain, and fatigue. These fine particles can make the conditions worse and cause cardiovascular and heart disease and asthma and COPD. Ground level ozone can cause the difficulty in breathing deeply, a shortness of breath, sore throat, wheezing, coughing, and fatigue. While ozone can also create more worse diseases like asthma and COPD and emphysema.
Monitoring AQI 24/7. We have proposed our own solution by making this project. This project consists of an Arduino board, which is basically the powerhouse for this MQ2 gas sensor, an LCD, and a buzzer. The way all these components work together is that the gas sensor will give you the air quality in ppm LCD display. After that, when the value goes above 300 ppm, the sensor knows that there's a gas leak or that the air is super harmful, and it'll start buzzing this buzzer. Our proposed solution is that we could set this up in villages or even apartments that are located next to factories that emit a lot of toxic gases, as this can help us monitor the air quality there and find solutions. So this is our air quality proposed solution. So this solution basically has an Arduino Uno board along with an MQ2 gas sensor, a buzzer, and an LCD display. The way these components work together is that the MQ2 gas sensor will look around it and find and sense the gas, and basically on the LCD display the AQI in ppm. Then the Arduino Uno board basically powers everything, and if the ppm goes above a certain value, which is 300, then it will know that there is a gas leak or that the air around is very harmful. This solution is proposed to be set up around factories or apartments where there are factories that produce many toxic gases into the atmosphere. This can help us collect information and find solutions to solve these problems and help us reduce the risk of many diseases. So let's start. So this robot is controlled with an app, as you can see here. So when I move the app front, this robot will start moving front, and as I move it back, it will start moving back. This robot can also be programmed in many ways, like I have programmed over here, whereas okay, well, yeah, so this can be programmed in many different ways to go wherever you like and travel even a certain path that you've chosen. So let's test the gas sensor over here. Yes, so this, as you can see over here, is the gas MQ2 gas sensor that I was talking about. So this sensor is currently displaying the air quality in ppm. As you can see, this is slowly updating. So now we are going to test this, as you can see here. So as you can see now, it says smoke detected. So this can basically sense gas leaks and help reduce the cause of many diseases.
So this is a footage of the stem case smelling in the rain. And here we can explore some common asthma triggers. Air pollution is a common trigger which comes from industrial activities, natural sources like wildfire smoke, and it generally causes because it emits gases like carbon monoxide. Here, pets are a common source of asthma because their fur can cause allergies. Mold occurs in damp spaces and they can also trigger an asthma attack. Pollen is a very common asthma trigger and it causes pollen infections. Cleaning products, the disinfectants of cleaning products cause asthma. Dust mites are microscopic organisms. They also can create asthma allergies. And pests are also, create asthma triggers due to their allergy because people are allergic to them. Thank you.
Thank you.
We hope you enjoyed our project.